Simple thing.
Very simple thing. Okay, the only word that is spelled incorrectly in the dictionary is what? Is a particular word and it is spelled incorrectly in the dictionary. You don't turn, no. You don't turn.
I want to call a friend.
Okay, hold on. What's the name of the friend? What's the name of the friend?
Bola.
Bola, please.
Do you know it?
You don't miss.
Patient face with heart-shaped eye.
Please. Who is Bola? Please come. Who is the friend? Friend, come. Friend, come. So the only word.
If the friend don't know it.
Ma.
No, you know it now.
Friend,
you know it. No, it's only one friend you are calling him. So the friend.
Do you know it? The word that is not spelled correctly.
The word in the dictionary that is spelled incorrectly. The word in the dictionary that is spelled incorrectly.
Incorrectly.
Okay, you can go.
She got it.
I don't know yet. Hold on. Oh, yeah, face me this way now. Face this way now. Okay,
But
so
we don't win 500 though. We don't win 500 like that.
okay, so is that your? Are you going with the answer? Are you going with the answer?
This brother says she got it. I don't believe.
Which brother?
This
Why
brother
you
that
saying
is
all this now? Just say, do you go with the answer?
Are you going with the answer or not?
Yes, incorrectly. Yes.
Incorrectly. Correct. So here is the 500. Remember, you can only walk away in your second question. Oh yeah, hold it. Okay. So, question number 2. What is the full meaning of ROM? ROM. And yeah, you can't call a friend.
Read.
Please. You are echoing, no. But you have gotten. You should be bored of what you know now. If you know it, you say it now. If you don't get it, you didn't fail. Because are you a computer scientist?
No.
So the person that should be penalized is a computer scientist.
You don't remember.
This one that you just said. Hey, I'm listening.
I said we don't remember.
Is that your last answer? Is that your last answer?
Yes.
It's wrong. But you did not. Correct. Okay, here is it. So are you going to the third question or you are walking away?
No, I'll go to the third question.
You go to the third question. If you fail it, you are going.
You collect my money.
I'll collect the money back. So decide
I'm
now.
not agree. I'll spoil this phone.
So you are walking away, right?
Just walk.
But the rule is, if you did not get the third question, decide now. Then you walk away. You see, you go only pass me 1,000. Abi? Some people they take ice cream as well. So, are you walking away? Or you are?
My friend, should I walk away?
I don't like what you guys are. This second question, you are the one that told her. She's the one that told you.
No.
I swear to God. I'm serious. So
Read the Ram àti Ram. Told me. My brain is not that bad.
Oh my goodness. Your brain cannot be bad in Jesus' name.
Even if I goes to read the dictionary.
Okay. So.
Bola, if I lose this one, you percent.
when you walk away, better leave me.
Walk away.
You can't ask. You can't ask them again. You know that. Okay. So the third question goes toss. Please come this way. What if they happen like this? The third question.
This brother
goes
like this that she walk away.
Goes toss. I said the third question goes toss. Your nieces and your nephews are referred to as.
My nieces
are your nephews, yes. What are they referred to as?
My siblings' children.
No. Your sisters are your brothers, are your siblings.
Yes.
Your nephews are your nieces.
They are my siblings' child now.
They have one name too, just as siblings.
I don't understand. My nieces and
Okay, wait, let me ask you. Your brothers and sisters are what?
my siblings.
Your nephews and your nieces are what?
My siblings' children.
No. Wrong. They are your siblings' children. That's a state sentence. We are talking about, or that's a phrase. We're talking about one word.
They're my cousins.
How can they be your cousin, sister?
You have second cousins.
You have failed this question. No?
Wait, sorry, calm down. My my nieces and my nephew. They're my siblings' children now. My siblings' children.
Phrase. We're talking about one word.
Is it what am I to them?
Your sibling. You know the question. You know the question, just that you don't know the answer. You don't know the answer, so there's nothing you can do about it than to just give me my 1,000. I will tell you.
Hey, no, I'll not agree.
They have one word now. Just the aunties and uncles also have one word.
Yes, exactly. As their auntie.
Eh?
Now.
So why did you not tell me that you are sisters to your brothers and sisters?